Do you want to protect the front of your car from rock chips, but you don't want to spend $2,000 on paint protection film just to go on one short road trip or drive? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. This is 3M Automotive masking tape. It's $15 on Amazon. It's specifically made to go on your car's paint. It's waterproof. I left this stuff in my car for up to 5 days. It absolutely did no damage to the car's paint, left no sticky adhesive residue. And let me show you how easy this is to apply. It's literally like tearing a strand of tape. I mean, that is a piece of tape. Get it, tear it, put it on your car, and it's as easy as that. And the reason that I think this is better than one of those XPEL or Track Armor temporary paint protection films you can get on Amazon is that this goes on super easily and it comes off super easy as well. So the problem that those Track Armor like temporary paint protection films have is that when they come off, there's a lot of negative reviews that mention they leave a horrible adhesive sticky residue on the car and basically just ruins their car's paint. I don't want to have to deal with that. I want something I can just simply put on my car, peel off, and it's as easy as that. Like I said, I left this on my car for up to 5 days. Now that was in more mild, warmer weather. I don't know how this is going to hold up if you use it in like freezing or below freezing or like 100-degree temperatures. Just a little disclaimer there, use it at your own caution. But now again, this is masking tape, so obviously it's pretty thin, right? So for that reason, I recommend at least doing 2 layers of this, 3, 4 if you want to be super safe. But the whole point of this video is if you're like me and you're going on a quick road trip and you don't need paint protection film like all the time on your car, because I normally only drive this car in the city, right? I rarely would go on road trips. I rarely would take this car on the interstate. So it just doesn't make sense to put $2,000 worth of PPF on the front of this car. It's just a waste of money, in my opinion. But, you know, for the random rare occasions that I do have to go take this car on a long drive, it's worth it to me to spend $15 on this tape, $30 if you need 2 rolls of them, and an hour of my time to tape up the front of my car, if it even takes that long. Now, just one last tidbit of information. It does say on the website that this stuff is water resistant. I don't know if it's waterproof. I've never driven my car with this on it through like pouring rains. I don't know if it would eventually come off. However, I did do a little test where I put a bunch on my car and I got water with a spray bottle and just absolutely soaked it, and it didn't come off, it didn't peel up. So that makes me think that this will hold up pretty good in rainy, wet conditions, but I just don't know for certain. So it's just something you have to find out for yourself, whether or not this is going to hold up in rain, but it's worth a shot. Yeah, get you guys some of this 3M Automotive masking tape. Good stuff.